Hi, my name is Andrea from Atlanta Vein Specialist, and I'm here with Mr. Kevin Duncan. Mr. Duncan, how are you today?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you doing today?
I'm good, and thank you so much for interviewing with us.
My pleasure.
Yes, and how long have you been a patient for Dr. Mahadavan?
I have been here for about 3 years now, total.
So it's been a while.
It has been a while.
Yes, and how did you hear about us? Do you remember?
Yes, I was at my dermatologist, and they were doing some work on my legs. And the dermatologist asked me if I had ever considered getting the bulging veins that were in my legs addressed. And she recommended Dr. Mahadavan.
Did you even know that there was treatment for bulging veins prior to that?
You know, I had known there was treatment because my mom and sisters both had it. It's a hereditary thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I knew it, but I just wasn't.
You were putting it off.
I was a man who didn't care what my legs looked like.
Before you even stepped foot in our office for that initial consultation, what mainly were you trying to achieve? Were there any symptoms that stuck out to you that you wanted to fix?
You know, my legs were a little bit painful. I had veins that were bulging all up through my thighs and along the backs of my legs, and they really were unsightly, to be honest with you.
And since starting the treatments, have you noticed any changes with the bulging veins?
Well, yes, in that I no longer had bulging veins. All my bulging veins are totally gone. My legs are smooth. There's nothing out of the ordinary.
Has anyone around you also taken notice?
Oh, everybody's noticed, yes.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
They were very, very bad. Like I said, I just didn't address it.
You've been a patient with us for years now, so we've had the privilege to get to know you better than the average patient. How would you describe our overall patient care, from the services provided from the doctor to services provided from the staff?
You know, as I've gotten older, I've had to see more and more doctors, and I have got to say, in all honesty, this is one of my very favorite doctor's offices. The front staff has always been super nice. All the appointments have been on time. The medical care I've received in the back has been exquisite. So this is just, I can't rate it any higher.
Yeah, and I was actually going to ask you, what sets our office apart from other offices?
You know, I think the doctor's personality makes a huge thing, but the staff here, every one of the staff has been caring and considerate and helpful, and I've never had any complaint at all about this place.
Oh, we love to hear that. And for new patients that are scared and are hesitant to get their veins treated, despite everything you've said, what can you give them advice-wise? What can you tell them to expect when they first come in for their initial consultation?
The initial consultation, I think he looked at my veins. Obviously, he could see. He did I think it was a sonogram with some gel on my legs, looking to see what veins were working and which ones weren't. And it was, he explained everything. I had no questions at all when I left. I was very comfortable when I came in for the treatments. It was just easy. There was no minimalistic pain. I had several different procedures. They would wrap my legs after I got done. I'd have to leave that wrapping on there for a day or two.
I think what most new patients are more hesitant about is recovery time. Can you talk to us about what your recovery time looked like?
I usually had all mine done in the morning. They wrap your legs wherever they've done the procedure. You have to leave that wrapping on for 24 hours. They have bandages. It wasn't painful. I didn't take any pain medication at all. The next day I unwrapped the bandages, and I think he was prescribing arnica cream, and I was using just a mild pain reliever, but I really didn't even need that, to be honest with you. Every time we ever had a surgery, lunchtime the next day, I was getting a call from Dr. M. I've never, ever in my entire life had any other doctor call me.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah, it's unheard of nowadays.
I can understand.
I wanted to thank you again so much for taking the time to meet with us, to agreeing to do this interview, but also in trusting us for taking care of your legs for all these years. We hope viewers at home can also give us the same opportunity to trust us with the quality of your legs. My name is Andrea, signing off from Atlanta Vein Specialist.